Welcome to English Challenges. I'm Tanya and I'm here to teach you real-life English so that you can speak naturally and confidently. Specifically, we're going to talk about 5 different ways that Americans say, I don't know. But for the first expression, typical I don't know, I'll be honest, I usually reduce it and it sounds like I don't know. I don't know. So instead of don't, I don't know. Like, I don't know. I don't know. It almost sounds like they're slurred together, but you just have to take the T out. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You know what? When you emphasize it like that, that's when the T comes back. Like, I don't know. Okay, so another way we can say it is, I don't have a clue. So listen to the intonation. I don't have a clue. So instead of, I don't know, I don't have a clue. And notice the body language, shoulders come up. So I like to remind people that your body language and your facial expressions communicate as loudly as the words that you say, which for language learners is a perk. If you can figure out the body language and the facial expressions, people focus less on what you would consider a mistake or preposition because they get the message. Now, in addition to I don't have a clue, you could also shorten it. And another way we can say I don't know is no clue. Do you know when the movie starts? No clue. So it's not a complete sentence, but it's real life. Speaking of short answers, we can also say beats me. Beats me. So notice how the S is linked to the M. Beats me. Beats me. How should I know? Another short response is no idea. Do you know when the exam is? No idea. I should email the professor. No idea. And finally, heck if I know. A lot of times people say hell if I know. I find that to use the word hell is kind of controversial, not controversial, but I find that people don't often use it in a conservative setting or in front of kids for whatever reason. So if you don't feel comfortable using hell, you can say heck. It's a very common substitution. Anytime you hear people say heck, that's what they mean. So you can say heck if I know, hell if I know. And for the pronunciation, listen to the linking. Heck if, instead of heck, heck if I know. Heck if I, so here, if and I, heck if I, heck if I know, hell if I know. You did great. Okay, if you haven't already, pause the video and write a sentence in the comment. By the way, if you like learning these kinds of things, where it goes not only the expression, but also the pronunciation nuances, the intonation tips, check out my courses. I'll put the link below. If you want to learn more American expressions, check out the playlist above or in the video notes. And remember, sharing is caring. So share this with a friend who also loves American English as much as you and I do.